Today, I'm going to teach you how to make two great milkshakes, one chocolate and one strawberry. Most milkshakes have 3 ingredients: ice cream, milk, and chocolate, strawberry, or whatever the flavor. To make a chocolate milkshake, we start with chocolate ice cream in the blender. Instead of milk, I prefer cream, really good, thick, heavy whipping cream. Then we add chocolate syrup. That's it, a simple and delicious chocolate shake. But to magnify the flavor, I use coffee because the acid in the coffee helps to intensify the flavor of the chocolate. We can make it more fun by adding Kahlúa and Godiva and Starbucks coffee liqueur. Now we're cooking. Doesn't that look great? Finish it with whipped cream. To make a strawberry milkshake, we start with really good strawberry ice cream in the blender and add some of these gorgeous fresh strawberries. Add heavy cream. And how about some Chambord raspberry liqueur for fun? Give it a whirl. This strawberry milkshake looks awesome too. Finish it with whipped cream. Here are 2 great milkshake ideas that are going to taste fantastic when you're sitting in your backyard watching the world go by. I'm Peter Harmon, Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometimes and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select the recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.